Okay, so editor large file optimizations. Special handling for large files to disable certain memory intensive features. Okay, this is not very descriptive, but what this really does is it's going to disable syntax highlighting, and it's going to disable format on save for files that are larger than 20 megabytes or 300,000 lines of code. If one of those two criteria are met, the file will not have syntax highlighting, and it will not have format on save. So obviously for performance reasons, right? Because if the file's too large, it's going to take a long while for VS Code to do what it needs to do, and it makes for a really poor developer experience. So I agree with that. So I would just leave this option in its default value, which is true.